Hello, welcome to this lesson. My name is Felix, and today I'm going to break down these passing chords in the key of F sharp using this song Your Alpha. Make sure you like, you subscribe. So I'm doing it like this. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. So F major scale. So this is the F major scale. This is the F sharp major scale. F is our first note, our second note is G, our third note is A, our fourth is B, our fifth is C sharp, our sixth is D sharp, of which is a minor chord, our seventh is F back to our 1 F sharp. So this is our chord 1, this is our chord 2, this is our chord 3, this is our chord 4, this is our chord 5, this is our chord 6, this is our chord 7. So I was playing this song, you are Alpha and Omega, we worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. So let me break down those passing chords. The most important part that I am interested in is this part. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. So you are Alpha, 1, 2, 3, 3, then 5, and Omega. Then this is the most interesting part. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. Okay? So I'm going to break it down. This is a sharp diminished. We worship you, our Lord. You are worthy to be praised. So A sharp diminished, we, then B, worship, then our number 2, second inversion, you are, then Lord number 1, you are Lord, then number 6, you are worthy, then there's this B diminished, to be praised, back to 1. So I want to play it slowly without talking, and I think you will understand because I'm using the same notes that I've been teaching you. Okay, so bear with me. So make sure to subscribe this lesson, and at my end screen there is a lesson that is there. I have a lot of playlists that you can download and you can enjoy with yourself. So if this video has been interesting, make sure to subscribe. Next tutorial will be in the key of F major, and I think God will bless you. After F major, I'll bring the tutorial in the key of C and then in the key of G. So God bless you very much. May you be blessed. Make sure to subscribe and like this lesson.